In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can activate AT&T eSIM on Android. So first of all, you need to make sure to purchase your eSIM and you will going to receive a QR code from AT&T on your Gmail or within the application. Once you have received the QR code, you can now head over to your mobile settings and then you just need to go for mobile network, or if you are on Samsung or Google Pixel, you just need to go for the connections and then go for SIM card manager. Now once you are in, you need to look for the option of eSIM. If you have not the option of eSIM, that means it's not compatible with your smartphone. Otherwise, you can simply click on add eSIM and then make sure to click on next on the bottom right. And now you just need to scan the QR code that you have received from AT&T and then make sure to click on download on the bottom right of your screen, and it might take few minutes to activate your eSIM, so make sure to be patient. Otherwise, head over to your eSIM again, and as you can see, as a moment it is disabled, so make sure to click on the three dots and then click on enable to enable your AT&T eSIM. So that's the way of how you can activate AT&T eSIM on Android device.